Down Bailey Avenue, but like many others, he'd much rather be walking on the sidewalk instead of the street.
So every time I'm walking down the street and there's no sidewalks or anything, I kind of fear that what if a car slips and hits me in the process.
Morrison says that's exactly what happened to him last month. A car lost control and came careening straight toward him.
I jumped into a big huge snowbank and I just stayed there until the car passed by.
Those dangers for pedestrians not likely to be addressed this winter. The city is stuck with nearly 10,000 vacant lots, many of them foreclosed homes.
The city in no way has the personnel to go out and clear all of these sidewalks.
I found a sort of 2-in-1 here on Ferry Street in Kilhofer. To my right, a vacant property, and then to my left, a bus stop, and in between a sidewalk that has obviously not been shoveled in months.
I'm concerned about the main thoroughfares where people have to wait on buses, and I'm also concerned about areas where we have a high concentration of senior citizens.
Council President Darius Pridgeon says the Public Works Department is looking into a solution. Pridgeon is suggesting using money collected from fines, including those 900 citations for uncleared sidewalks, to pay for emergency snow removal.
I would like to see where we're able to partner with the nonprofit sector as much as possible who would want to help out their neighborhood and have a plan in place for next year in case that occurs.
Now, the city spokesperson tells me that its main priority is to clear the sidewalks around the 14 vacant school lots that it has in the city right now, because those are in very congested areas.